Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ki Thei Ïalehkai ka Nepal ki belapoi ha jila bane khun persha ya ka India bat ka Iran ha ka Women's Tri Nation International Tournament kilapun pau ka jingbom sngohun ni ka Jaka sa bagi sa Shillong. U coach ka Nepal u Nabin new pani ulapun pau ba ka kinhun Ïalehkai ka jing u kam sngohun ni ka Jaka sa ba ka sarkar ka ayaki ulapun rap da ka baong ba ka jingpun pau jing u kumtei kamdei ka jing u jor handei ka de ka jingpun bet. Laban kedua baka Women's Tri Nation International Tournament jong kilai tadi kiri kelas sedang dekat Ïalehkai pedeng ke India bat ke Iran kebelah long ha ka arpoi terik risau arja apusan ke Iran kelara ek nam job dak berpenliam ke India da arko lanan ke ginhu na Nepal kelaban poi ha jela nak da bene khun persya ke Iran ha ka arpusau terik risau bat ya ke India ha ka arpo nyu terik risau ha Ïalehkai parlok ha Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium Pulu.
International magic. It's not a complaint, it's about solution that the accommodation of the international rules and regulation, because we come from so distance and the person is not satisfied with us. So it's not a complaint, it's a solution for the federation too. It's an international tournament and we are not comfortable for the accommodation too. Thank you. Yes.